What's up, guys? Welcome back to Boost Brothers Garage. This week I'm coming to you from Putnam Park Road Course, where I just blew up my car. Stay tuned. The plan for this weekend was to set a baseline lap time on the NA 944 race car so that we could then swap in the 07K, come back, do another baseline with that engine, and see how much time we gained. Mini power. But unfortunately, well, yesterday I was familiarizing myself with the track, didn't have the lap timer going. And then it rained, and then my alternator belt popped off. So yesterday was kind of a loss. And then today I went out the first session and I popped a head gasket, and the motor's pretty well fucked. I'm not too concerned about the engine because, well, this was the last weekend I was gonna use it anyway, but it does suck that I spent all this money for a track weekend and I basically got 2 sessions out of it. Here she sits, all loaded up. Beyond popping a head gasket, the car was doing really, really well. It was handling great, braking great, but we did have cooling issues the whole weekend. I think the head gasket was already on its way out. I did some NASCAR tape trying to force a little more air to the radiator, and, well, still didn't work, obviously. So with that unfortunate news, now I'm just gonna show you guys some of the cars here, show you a little bit of on-track action. We'll talk to Brandon and Jackie and see how their Mini's doing and what their thoughts are after we did that one-day build last weekend. I'll post the link to that video in the description below and at the end of this video. Let's go for a walk. If you're a regular subscriber to the channel, you know Dan's Mustang here with the LS swap. Dan unfortunately had issues as well. The rear seal on his transmission blew, so he was spraying transmission fluid all over his exhaust. He's done for the weekend. My buddy Sammy's here with his E36 lightweight with an S54 swap, and he's having issues with his oil pressure gauge, and it's showing way more pressure than it should, so he's parked for the weekend. We've had no luck. Got a beautiful GT3 991, nice 951 on some fresh forge lines. I don't know why this guy's in the trailer, but this is a Lotus 211. It's been ripping around the track all day. Such a cool car. This bright, badass classic 911 race car. Being a PCA event, obviously there's just rows of 911s and Caymans. A lot of BMWs sprinkled in too. Our local PCAs and BMW, Car Club of America, they do a lot of events together. It's very inbred. Got a Huracan. God bless the guy that tracks his Huracan. Love that. What we have here is a unicorn, a Supra on the road course. Got a new GT350, which is being driven in anger, and I absolutely love it. This is a proper track car. All right, B, tell the people what you think about the Mini and your first track weekend.
The Mini's doing pretty good, running strong. The instructor said it's got a lot of grip with the RE71 tires on it. Yeah, it's not as fast in the straightaway as some cars, but all in all, it's done really good. As a beginner, it's a lot to take in. There's a lot going on. It's been really fun, and if you haven't done it yet, I'd suggest you do it. It's a blast. Love the car. Everything's working as it should. Can't be happier.
About Jackie.
You know how much I love talking on camera.
Oh yeah.
I've had a blast out here though. I didn't come in with a huge amount of expectations, but I feel like my skills driving have gotten a lot better in the last couple of days.
Yeah, you've gained a lot of speed out there, that's for sure.
Yeah, and driving in the rain yesterday, I think I learned a lot. So today I'm a little more confident, but it's been a lot of fun.
Sorry for the short video. Would have loved to have given you some more on-track action and give you a proper lap time from the car, but just had an unlucky weekend. Car's dead, but she's about to go under the knife and be a hell of a lot better.